Begin by taking a comfortable position. You can lie on your back or just sit with your back supported in an upright position. A posture that allows you to be alert but allows you to relax at the same time. You can close your eyes if you like, and just begin by taking a couple of deep, slow breaths. Noticing how your breath moves in and out and throughout your body. Breathing in, you fill yourself with clean, fresh air and energy. Breathing out, you release any tension or stress that you may feel in your body. Breathing in, noticing and feeling the rising of your belly. Breathing out, noticing your belly falling. And one more time, breathing in. And as you inhale deeply, say silently to yourself, I focus into my center. And as you let go of the breath, you say, I release any tensions. And now just relax into the breathing. And as you let your breathing return to its natural rhythm and allowing the breath to breathe itself. And now gently bring your attention to your body and its bodily sensations. We're going to start with your lower body and focus specifically on your feet. And let's start with your left foot. And see if there's any tension on your toes. Feel the space between them. Notice how the bottom of your left foot feels. Any burning sensations that might be there? Notice how the ball of your foot feels. Just ask it, how does it feel in there? Bring in that curiosity. And do the same with your heel, your ankle, the top of your left foot. Noticing any achiness or soreness or any other sensations. And as you're noticing them, also release them and relax any tension, allowing your left foot to completely relax. And then slowly moving your attention to your right foot. Noticing again any sensations on your toes. Bringing your awareness to the bottom of your foot, your ankle, and releasing and relaxing your right foot completely. And notice that when you soften even more, there is more aliveness. And as you allow the relaxation in your feet to deepen, notice any tension you might be holding in your left calf. Releasing and relaxing it completely. Feeling your calf from the inside out. And noticing perhaps any soreness on your left knee. Asking your left knee, how is it feeling? And allowing it to relax. Bringing a curious and gentle attention to it. And now moving up to your left thigh, noticing any muscle tightness there, or any other sensations, and letting it all go. Not worrying about how to relax, just allowing it to let go of any tension. As you move up to your left hip, and noticing any stiffness you might be holding there. And again, asking that part of your body, how is it feeling? And releasing it completely, whatever that is. And allowing your whole left leg to feel heavy and relaxed against the surface that supports it. As you slowly move to your right calf, and you release and relax the muscles there. Noticing the sensations of relaxation in your calf muscles spreading up towards your right knee. And ask your right knee, how is it feeling? And then moving up to your right thigh. How does it feel there? In your right hip, what are some sensations there? Both your legs that do all this work every day to support you. And letting go of any tightness, any tension, any stress that has been stored there. Allowing your right leg to feel comfortable and deeply relaxed. And bringing your attention to both your legs and how heavy and relaxed, yet how alive they feel. And acknowledging that when you give your body permission to relax, it does relax. And now you bring your attention to your lower back and your buttocks. And notice any tension in this very important part of your body. Notice and ask with curiosity. I wonder if I'm holding on to anything there. I just wonder. And whatever rises up, I'm letting it all go. Allowing these muscles there to take a well-deserved rest. And now moving up towards your pelvis. And letting go of any unnecessary tension and stress that might be stored in that also very important part of your body. Breathing into any tightness that might be still lingering there in your pelvis, and releasing it with the out breath. And as the whole lower part of your body is now comfortable and relaxed, you move your attention to your mid-back and abdomen. Just noticing the rise and the fall of your belly as you breathe. And noticing any tension you might be holding in the organs in your abdominal cavity. And asking that part of your body, how is it feeling? Are there any emotions there that want to rise up? Are there any memories or any images that come up? And whatever it is, embrace it with gentleness and loving kindness. And feeling the entire abdomen relaxing deeply, easily and comfortably. As you move up towards your chest, your ribs, and your heart. And you pause for a moment to observe how your heart feels. How does my heart feel? And you just embrace any sensations that arise. No judgment. Whatever comes up is a very important message, and you welcome it. And you also release any tension and any stress with a deep exhale. And from there, you slowly move up toward your shoulders, and you notice any pressure or tightness in the muscles of your shoulders. It's a part that a lot of people store a lot of stress and a lot of the past memories and wounds. So just ask your shoulders, how do they feel? Relaxing and letting it all go. And noticing the tension you might be holding on your neck. These very important muscles that hold your head up all day. Allowing them to rest and release any tension. And welcoming any sensation that wants to arise. And as you move down both the left and right side of your upper arms, you just feel the energy of relaxation going down your forearms, your wrists, and you allow all the tension to be released from your fingertips. And if your elbows, the tendons, the wrists, the fingers, the forearms, holding on to any tension, just acknowledge it and release it. And notice your left hand and your right hand. How do they feel? Where are they holding on to? And what are they ready to release? Inviting your hands to let go, enjoying in this deeper state of relaxation and surrender. Allowing your fingers to relax one by one. And then bring your attention back into the neck muscles once more. Noticing them more relaxed and more comfortable now. And noticing any remaining unwanted sensations that are stored in your neck. And letting them go with the power of the breath. As you move up towards your scalp and forehead, and you notice the sensations there. How do I feel there? How does my forehead feel? And releasing any tension. Your eyebrows, noticing and releasing. Your eyes, noticing and releasing. Your ears, noticing and releasing. your cheeks, noticing and releasing, your nose, your mouth, your jaw, relaxing your jaw, relaxing all the muscles on your face, allowing them to let go, and imagine that pleasant sense of softening flowing down through your face, your neck, your shoulders, all the way through your body. This pleasant and gentle sense of softening and releasing and healing. And as you experience this pleasant and deep sense of relaxation in your body, you might find that your mind, too, has become more quiet and calm. And now widening your attention to your whole entire body, feeling grateful for this experience of deep relaxation throughout your body and mind. And asking one last time, how do I feel? How does my body feel? And welcoming any answer that wants to rise up, knowing that you can return to this practice anytime you need to. As you now return your attention to your breath, just noticing your breath coming in and out. With each breath, feeling a sense of calm and steadiness. As you slowly now begin to bring yourself back, wiggling your toes and your fingers, moving your body gently, feeling refreshed and relaxed, and slowly opening your eyes when you're ready.